Give me my money.
BJDX.
BJDX making another move.
Yeah, I'm seeing looking for some setups here. Tell you what, I'll start a light position on BJDX here. So
All right.
light position.
All right. I jumped in as well.
All right, get the morning show going here. I will be back.
See you on the other side.
All right, good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday. Big report coming out today, FOMC. So, Glenn, I don't know about you, but I think they may raise rates another quarter point. What do you think? All right, let me tell you what's going on this morning. I only have one on right now. I was kind of looking at this small Dow. Small Dow's up. Let's see. Look at this again. Yeah, small Dow's up 114. Looking at my indices right now to see if I see any plays out of the gate. Let's look at the mini Russell. I'm not seeing anything there right now. Now the E-mini S&P may get a trade. Tell you what, I'd be interested in the S&P if it comes up to, let's say 45.16. Okay, 45.16. I'm gonna put an alert up there too. I might buy it at 45.16. All right. Also going to be keeping an eye on crude oil today and gold. We'll be watching those again. Those are back on my radar. Okay, so I have only one position on this morning, BJDX. So go BJDX. I didn't have a whole lot on my list of what I'm watching. But I am in BJDX. This may be the one and only runner, at least prior to the opening.
MNSO.
I may go, but I'm not. UNIX. I mean UXIN. Like it, but the volume is way too light. Nothing there. Yeah, I like RLMD. I'm going to put a little bit of RLMD on as well. Once again, I like to have a few, 2 or 3, prior to the opening, with the idea that one of these are going to run. Yeah, gas in Texas. I did get some gas yesterday. It was $4.25, I think it was. California, I think it's close to 6. It's just insanity. All right, so we have RLMD on, and we have a BJDX. And as some of these start popping up on my scanner over here, we'll look at them and see if any of those have a potential to be a trade. BJDX is taking off. No, I don't think it's a. Is it a disadvantage to trade without seeing order flow? I don't think so. I think it definitely helps though. I think the most important thing, once again, are the behavioral patterns. That's what I'm looking at. I want to make sure we have the right behavioral patterns setting up. So that's always going to be number one. And then I look at order flow. Order flow really gives me a little bit more confidence about adding size to my position.
MNSO.
But that's about it. Just adding size, watching that order flow to add size. All right, so I just have two on right now. RLND, VJDX. GNS. We used to play a lot of GNS, but that hasn't been on my radar for a while. GNS. Yeah, possible it picks up. Yang. Not seeing anything on Yang. Really light. AP, LT. I can see in there. Pretty light. EXAI. Nothing there. Nothing. But I always look forward to FOMC days.
MNSO.
Usually puts a lot of good volatility in the market. I'm going to keep an eye on AZUL. That may be stock number 3, AZUL. In fact, I'll put a small position on AZUL. Alright, I'm in AZUL. Alright, so we have BJDX, looking good, RLMD, and I just put on some AZUL. Alright? TSLA. Nope, nothing there. Alright, another 10 minutes before the opening bell. 8 minutes before we move in the Discord. Alright, so once again, folks, if you like this morning show, please subscribe. That'll help me out. Also, hit that like button. And also, if you hit that notification bell, you will be updated when the end of the day recap comes out. Share with you my results from my trades. Once again, when it comes to trading, if you're new to trading or even if you're experienced and you're trading a new approach, always start with a simulator account or a demo account. Don't play with real money until you can be profitable. If you can't be profitable in a simulated account, you're not going to be profitable in a real account. Remember, trading there's a lot to trading. It's not just having some sort of magic set of indicators or method and thinking that you're going to make a lot of money. You also have to understand the markets, get a good feel for price action, get to know the it's a little bit harder on stocks, but you start seeing a lot of the same stocks pop up over and over again when you start trading, so you get used to their personalities. Like some are faster or mover than others. All those things play into becoming a good trader. But you have to have a good foundation. You have to be using an approach that has a solid track record. And not only that, is something that what I always call it has to be universal, meaning that whatever you're using, you should be able to use it across the board, whether you're trading a commodity or you're trading a cryptocurrency or you're trading a stock, right? So you want a solid foundation, and that's using my approach for the last 36 years. My approach, my patterns have a solid foundation. So everything is built off of that. And never blindly follow me, never blindly follow anybody you see on the internet, if that's what you do. Don't blindly follow that. That is not going to help you, particularly long term. Because the idea is you want to learn how to become a good trader. You want to learn how to read the markets. You want to learn how to trade and have that discipline to pull the trigger. All right, it's just kind of a waiting game here. AZUL. AZUL may be my big runner. It's already starting to move up. I know. Glenn, you're Eastern time, right? Yeah, you're Eastern time, aren't you? Yeah, you're Eastern time. Or are you no? Or where? Let's see. Are you no? No, you're Central, right? You're Central time. Going back again, looking at the, man, everything's quiet. Maybe Russell's quiet. Maybe NASDAQ's quiet. S&P, pretty quiet. All right, we'll get some action here. All right. All right, so in about another 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and we're going to end the first 30 minutes of the broadcast so I can move over to Discord and trade on the opening here. I am coming in long AZUL, RLMD, BJDX. Glenn, I appreciate you. I appreciate what you do. I appreciate you helping as a moderator. Yeah, want me to take a look at your coin real quick here before we get out of here? Let's look at your coin. What did coin do? Did it hit our targets yesterday? Let's see. Sure did. Definitely hit those targets. It did have that pullback. All right, so right now I think you're going to have a bounce. So the good news is you're going to bounce, sir. Now, overall, this may just be a pullback and continue to go lower, but I could see it pop up a little bit. Once again, anybody listening, if you do have a stock you want me to look at, I'd be glad to run it across my patterns. Just let Glenn know, the moderator, and he'll let me know, and I'll pull it up. We'll look at it. All right. All right, so we're about 2 minutes out. I want to thank everybody for joining us again this morning. For more information, please go to my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com. Plenty of videos on my YouTube channel as well. Remember, FOMC, big report coming out today. So, should see a lot of volatility. It's a two-edged sword. For some, I love volatility, but for others, it can be... it may be something you want to avoid unless you know how to trade it. All right, everybody have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.